Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get started with Dzine AI, your go-to platform for generating AI-powered image design and concept in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, go to Dzine.ai using your browser, then click sign up or log in if you already have an account. And once inside, you'll land in the main dashboard, and from here you'll see a different tools. You can try text to image option, sketch to art, background remover, which is pro only, and character sheet generator, and more. To get started, simply pick a feature you'd like to try. For example, click the text to image to create images from description, and type your image prompt in the provided box. Choose your art style, adjust the image size, and hit generate. And then after generating your image, you can download it. Edit the prompt and try again or save it to your library. And for other feature like sketch to art or background remover, just follow the simple upload and generate the process. It's very user friendly and intuitive. You can also check your account settings, subscription plan, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.